If Citi isn't sending your verification code, it's usually your phone settings. So let's fix it. First of all, check that do not disturb mode is turned off. If not so, turn it off. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Also, make sure you're connected on a stable Wi-Fi so the app operates smoothly. Then go ahead and tap resend code after 60 seconds of waiting. Use email or secure key instead of SMS if available. If you've chosen SMS, check your SMS messages. Your code will be there. If Gmail, check your Gmail account or your spam or trash. Sometimes the code ends up inside there if it glitches, and that's it. Tip: VoIP or Google Voice numbers often do not receive Citi codes, and that's it. Subscribe for more.